The Roblox homepage is filled with AI-generated slop. People have been cranking out games in only 24 hours with just some simple AI code. I mean, all of these games are copy and paste, and I definitely didn't try to do that myself. So I challenged myself to make a Roblox game in only 3 days while using AI. But since I only got 3 days, let's make the plan. Except I'm not making the plan, ChatGPT is. So let's see what ChatGPT has to say.
Alright folks, sir, here's the plan. We'll make a good game.
Is that it?
Yeah.
No crap, what type of game?
Alright, how about steal a brain ring?
Are we serious? Anyways, did I mention I'm not alone on this? I actually brought along a friend.
Yo.
And no, he's not AI, he's my real life friend. His name is Bryce.
I got this. I'm Bryce, a builder, creator, and active contributor of the game. That's it.
And I invited him because why not? Nah, it's because in reality I suck at everything. But we still haven't got straight with the plan. Since my AI is absolutely buns, Bryce is going to use his AI. I'm telling you, there's a huge difference in what mine and his was giving us. After about 5 minutes of yapping to AI, we finally came up with a crazy chicken game. It's based on chickens that are schizophrenic, so basically mentally ill chickens. Now to actually make this game based on schizophrenic chickens, we need to come up with something a schizophrenic chicken would do. So AI came up with this godly feature: chickens throw eggs at other chickens. So me and Bryce split it up on separate duties. He's got the map, and I got the AI scripts. But as always, let's see how the map was created.
So my entire idea was to make the player feel small in an environment where it's forced to create chaos and no room for the players to settle. With a mixture of custom parts and free models, so it didn't become time consuming and still created a smooth playing field for all players.
Nah, he low-key might be worse than me at making maps. So I asked ChatGPT to give me scripts for egg throwing, and it gave me a local script for starter player scripts and a server script. Now let's see if this actually works. And it works good, except there's so many bugs. This one system took me 10 minutes, and these bugs are gonna be the downfall. So that's it for today. Let's go to sleep. On day 2, I woke up and went straight to my computer to get to work. Cause to finish, we needed to lock in. It started out great because I was able to work on the game and so was Bryce. But then arose a problem. We didn't know if this should be a regular PvP game or we should add in a round system. If it was a regular PvP game, it would get you right into the action, which kinda makes sense. But I also feel like a round system would be more professional. So we decided to choose round system, even though I've had multiple problems with it before. So I took inspiration off of my brain rot game, which isn't a good idea because it failed. And if you haven't already, join the Discord and watch that video too. So let's see if AI can make a better round system than I can. After all that with no explaining, I know you don't know what in the world I was doing. But since AI sucks, I'll tell you what was supposed to happen. The top text is the round text, and what it does is actually starts the round. It automatically picks a map and the game starts. Under that round text is the event text. That shows each event that happens in each round. Each event is randomly picked and it gives the round a bit of spice. Now the objective of the game is to get the most kills each round to win. When you win, you get corn, which is used to buy custom items to customize your character. Now this would all happen if AI would actually cooperate. So in reality, we actually got the intermission text on and that's it. Yeah, the events don't even work, let alone the text. So since Easter was coming up, I decided to change the eggs. But it's also like 1 o'clock right now, so I think it's time to sleep. So I went to bed thinking about what I'd do on day 3. Today is my last day and my last chance to prove that I can make a game in 3 days using ChatGPT. But Bryce isn't here today, so I have to finish the map and finish the round system. But I don't think I'll finish the event in time, which isn't that big of a problem because the main game actually will work. With day 3 finished, I think it's time to play with some friends. we finished it, I'd like to say this is a success. After 3 days of using AI, we finally done it. So if you want to go play it, link is in the description. If we get 50 likes, I'll continue this game. But happy Easter and see you guys in the next one.